Hello everyone, this is question 5 on paper 2 from 2023 from Edexcel, and we've got a differentiation kind of question here, so let's see what it says. The curve C has the equation y equals f of x. The curve passes through the point with coordinate p with coordinate 3 minus 10. It has a turning point at p. Given that dy by dx is equal to 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 5x plus k, where k is a constant, show that k is equal to 12. Okay, so what do we know? Well, we know that there's a turning point at dy by dx. So therefore, our dy by dx can be put equal to 0. And that turning point is at the coordinate 3 minus 10, at the coordinate p. So where the x is 3 and the y is minus 10. So we're going to set our dy by dx equal to 0 and sub in our x is equal to 3 into the dy by dx. Now when we do that, the only unknown is k. So we have 2 times by 3 cubed minus 9 times by 3 squared plus 5 times by 3. So 3 cubed is 27, 2 times 27 is 54, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 9 is 81, and 3 times 5 is 15. So that gives us minus 12 plus k equals 0, so therefore k equals 12 as required. So that's our part A done. Now part B, it says, hence find the coordinates of the point of where C crosses the y-axis. So we need to integrate to find out what our original equation is. So we need to integrate our equation. Now remember, we know now that k is 12, so I've used that piece of information already. So we integrate, raise the power by 1, divide by the new power. So that's going to go to 4 divided by 4, cubed divided by 3, squared divided by 2, and 12x, and then add c. Okay, that's fine, which simplifies into y is equal to a half x to the 4 minus 3 x cubed plus 5 over 2 x squared plus 12x plus c. Now we know that the point 3 minus 10 lies on this curve, so therefore we can sub in the y as minus 10 and the x as 3 in order to work out what c is. And it turns out that c is equal to minus 28. So therefore, in this equation that we've got here, if we were to imagine that x was equal to 0, then the y-intercept, which would be just be the value of c, is going to be minus 28. So therefore, the curve intersects the y-axis at minus 28. Okay, perfect. Right. I hope that you found that helpful, and I will see you in the next video.